Hello wonderful people, welcome to our channel. This is another simple amazing tutorial for you, something you can do with materials found around you. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of new videos. Also remember to leave your comments in the comment section below. Okay, let us get down to work. For the materials you'll be needing, you need an already made fan like this one. You can always have this any color of your choice. You need your fabric, the one you intend to use. You need either of this sellotape. Any of them is good. You need a pen. You need your gas lighter. You need either this UHU gum or this Evostic gum or this glue gum. You know, any of these ones you have at your disposal, you can use it. Okay, you just open up your fabric on the wrong side, like the wrong side should be facing you. Okay, and you're going to you go ahead and open up your fan. Just open it up and you use your tape to sellotape it, like to what you're trying to do at this level is to maintain that open shape. See, just do that round, and you can even turn it and you sellotape it. Okay, if you have something like this. Okay, so at this level I was not really satisfied with the level of the whiteness, so I'm still going to use my hand. So you just place it on your material, on the wrong side of your material, place it like that, and then you just try to open it up with your hand. If your hand is big then it's an advantage to you. I'll just try to open it up again like this with my hand. Okay, and then I'll use my pen. This hole in between the sticks and the initial material of the fan, I'll just go ahead and put some traces of pen from one end to the other. Okay, I will see what I'm doing. Hope it's clear enough. I'll also go ahead at the top. I'll also trace it with the pen from one end to the other. Okay, I'm done. I'll just go ahead and connect from one end to the other. I'll just connect like that. I'll also connect the top. Okay, I went ahead to trace the chalk so that we can see very well. This is the shape, like this. Okay, hope is visible. And at this level, initially it ended here, so we have to add ½ inch for allowance, ½ inch for both edges. Okay, I went ahead to cut out the fabric. This is the fabric I intended using, so it's the same thing. I went ahead and underlocked it here. You can just underlock it, or you use your lighter to burn the rough edges. Yes, so I just underlock it like that. When you cut out your material, you should have this shape. Okay, I went ahead to remove the original fabric of the fan. We have to do this carefully in order not to break the fan sticks. Okay, when you cut out your fabric, you should have this shape. You can go ahead and underlock it the way I have done here, or you can just use your lighter to burn the edges, the rough edges of your fabric, and it's going to be okay. Now we are just going to place it on the fan. it should give us the exact shapes. It should give us the exact shape. Okay, you have something like this. Now you just go ahead and gum it, making sure you fold this edge. You fold this edge like this. It's going to be like this. This one is going to be folded, and this one too is going to be folded here. The other corner is going to be folded here, and that will be all. That will be all. You might want to use a fan color of the fabric you want to use. This is what I could find around. But if you're using something like this pink, you might want to have a fan of that color, or you just use black. You can decide to gum it stick by stick to make it more efficient. Done, guys. If you do like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Okay, it's very simple and very beautiful. The last thing is to remove the tape. We are sure that the shape of the fan is maintained.